malaki. Mahal, 4 years ago, our path crossed again. We started talking and then later on realized magka-schoolmate pala tayo ng elementary. Hindi namin alam na mag-classmate kami ng elementary. Kasi NPA ako dito sa Manila. And then after 2 years, lumipat na kami sa province. And then nag-work ako dito. Nag-meet ulit kami. And then doon namin nalaman na same pala school namin, no elementary.
Nung nakilala ko kasi siya, independent siya, mag-isa siya dito sa Manila kasi nga nag-work na siya. Siya yung panganay sa kapatid nila. Naghahanap na rin siya ng companion that time na parang medyo growing old na rin kami parehas. Then nagkatagpo kami ng Tadhana. And then, ayun, buti nag-match naman kami dalawa.
Yeah. Pero before na naging kami, may understanding kami na parang wag na namin ituloy. Sabi ko sa kanya kasi, that time I'm not really okay. So parang, God really is making a way for us. So, yun, doon namin tinuloy. And then, eventually, naging kami.
To my bride, this is it. The day we dreamed to be officially together. Wala nang atrasan pa. I am so much thankful na pinagtagpo tayo ng tadhana sa panahong di natin alam kung bakit nga ba tayo nagkakilala. Iba man ang pamamaraan ng Panginoon upang tayo ay magkasama, sa huli, ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko dahil wala nang iba pa.
Hirap talagang kausap niya.
Brandy.
Iabot lang.
Your eyes give life a new meaning. It's like I found the Northlands. I never knew what I needed until I felt your hand holding mine. You say I'm your hero, but you are the one that saved me. If I ever lost you, I'd fall to my knees. I can't imagine my life without
To the beautiful and cute girl who deserves a beautiful and 2 cute gifts. I hope you like it para anli na magpalagay. Love you, Ralph. Thank you. Maghanap tayo ng lagayan ng bags.
my life without you. Your eyes give life a new meaning.
RRPR, may this bag carry what matters and a wallet to hold what you value most. No more parinig ba? I love you, mahal. Thank you so much sa bag at sa wallet na kailangan. I love you.
Yeah, you say I'm your hero, but you are the one that saved me. If I ever lost you, I'd fall to my knees.
Siya, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Ralph na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at mga alintuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili ng kanyang may bahay?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikati sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Ralph, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Cha na naririto ngayon alinsunod sa batas at alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan.
Yes, Father.
Buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa Kanya ng iyong sarili bilang Kanyang asawa?
Yes, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Yes, Father.
If something happened, don't know what I'd do. I can't imagine. I can't imagine my life without you. My life without you. I can't imagine. I can't imagine my life without you.
Alam mo, lagi mo sinasabi sa akin na wag ako paka-stress today. Kasi hindi natin control yung mangyayari today. So, I trust everything in God, whatever will happen today, and I hope bigyan tayo ng blessing right after our marriage. Since yan din naman ang gusto ng parents natin for us. And thank you, and galingan mo sumayaw mamaya.
Here at the start of something new, we feel the expectation, a new day waiting.
Thank you, Papa. Anayin ka nga dagtoy. Para kanya lalo ang support ka niya. And then, thank you, T. Super na-ano siya kanya. Love you.
Open eyes as we chase the morning sun. Here
So, Ama, Ina, maraming salamat sa inyo dahil napalaki niyo kami ng maayos. Dahil kung hindi din naman dahil sa inyo, wala din kami sa paroroonan namin ngayon. Maraming salamat sa inyo at mahal na mahal ko kayo.
there's a world of endless color waiting for us to discover. Run into the open wide where dreamers come alive. We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go.
Today I promise to walk through life with you, through every ups and downs and uncertainty. I pray to God that He will guide us in this new journey. May He be the center of our home and bless us with a blissful life, full of love, good health, and of course abundance. Happy 4 years and 1 month today, Mahal. I love you and I always will.
Tulad mo, hindi man ako gaanong ka-expressive na tao, nandito din ako upang tulungan kang manalo sa mga pagsubok at pangarap mo. Ang pangarap mo ay pangarap ko na din, na sabay nating ipapanalo. I promise to stand by you and vow to support your dreams. I promise and commit to love and choose you every day. I can't wait to grow old with you, and I give you my heart today and always.
We can see a new horizon. We can feel adventure calling. Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
kwento ko kung paano ko kayo nakilala. Kapag may nagtanong sa inyo, bakit mo pinili si Ral? Bakit mo pinili si Chad? Sana masabi ninyo at maalala pa rin ninyo na pinili mo ang isa't isa dahil sa isa't isa ninyo nakita kung paano kayo mas naging mabuting tao. At araw-araw pinipili nyo ang isa't isa hindi dahil may natatanggap nyo, dahil mahal ninyo ang isa't isa.